Alright, we're at Market Week. This is one of the main halls. We're gonna look at the toys first. Look how big this is. So much stuff to look at. Let's start with toys. Robert just wants his car. That's all. I'm like, sure, I'll buy this for you. It's your birthday in 2 days. And there's Kelly Toys. I want to talk to Kelly Toys, but oh my god, they're like so busy. I walked by like 3 times and they're always busy. So, I had to eat because I was getting hangry. My husband's like, you need something to eat. So this is not much to choose from because I didn't feel like walking all over the place. So just some simple breakfast foods. Alright, we just passed the clothing section. That's clothing over there. Now this is accessories. It looks like sunglasses, shoes. We are going to go check out the accessories. And it is like 3 times the size of the toy section, wasn't it? And then we actually did the cash and carry a little bit ago. It's just a bunch of junk jewelry from China, so that was disappointing. So, we did a couple bracelets, but it was basically junk. Let's see what this stuff is. I'm eating a pretzel for lunch. Robert has a pretzel dog. It's just, we didn't really like any of the food choices. So we went for something that we know would be good. Pretzels. It's 2 o'clock. This event goes to like 6. I mean, this conference goes to 6, but I think we're done. We have so much walking. Our feet are killing us. Plenty still to see, and we're coming back tomorrow, so we can always see more stuff tomorrow.
Sale and promotional offer. 68% of millennials check email just 2 to 5 times a day, but they receive less than 5 emails from news partners a day. So that's
Is it communicating through Snapchat?
Yeah.
They don't use email like we do.
Alright, so this is the middle one. It's the biggest one. We're going to come back to that tomorrow. Now we just have to... This is... Wait a minute. You gotta remember how we got back to the second place. Okay, remember Lucky... Okay. Alright, we gotta figure this out.
Entertainment District, where you'll find a unique array of shops, restaurants, and bars, plus Brooklyn Bowl and the High Roller, the world's largest observation wheel. You can also access the link from the Flamingo Station. Our next stop is also the closest station to the Venetian and Palazzo Hotels, where you'll find the Green Canal Shop, gondola rides, and the Sand Expo. Win and Encore Las Vegas, featuring the very popular nightclubs Excess, Surrender, and Intrigue, as well as Encore Beach Club, Fashion Show Mall, and Love, the Beatles Cirque du Soleil show at the Mirage Hotel. The Las Vegas Strip has over 4 miles of fun things to do, and the best way to see it all is the Las Vegas Monorail. You can buy your tickets online anytime at tickets.lvmonorail.com.
The monorail because we didn't want to wait for the shuttles because they don't start running until 4, and I actually really like that. So it was $5 a person, so I think it was 20, so we saved $10. We're gonna have to walk a little bit, but I don't mind. Some other hotels drop us off at there.
Hedgehog hair himself.
Alright, we're walking back to our room to change shoes and rest for a little bit. This is indoors in the Venetian, the canal show. It's very pretty. It's still a little crowded, but not as bad as it was yesterday. Into the sign of the bathroom. And then I think there's the indoor porch right here. We're back in the room. So yeah, we took the monorail from the convention center to Harrah's and then walked from Harrah's to the Venetian. Actually wasn't that bad at all. I think we'll do it again tomorrow on the way back, but we'll still take the shuttle in the morning. So what happened this morning was, funny story, since I just started filming within the last year, you definitely haven't heard of all the crazy stories that happened to me, but if you knew me personally, you would know it is not a vacation unless we get lost. So, and it happened this morning. So this morning, the convention offered free shuttles from our hotel. And so we went to where we were directed for the shuttle bus, and the bus said Market Week, and we went to ASD Market Week. But the bus just said Market Week. Well, apparently there's another Market Week at, what was the name of that convention center?
It's near.
I think it's called like the World Market. And so
Place we stayed, I forgot the name of it. It wasn't far from the Golden Nugget.
it was close to the Golden Nugget. And the convention that we are going to was in the Las Vegas Convention Center. So we got on the wrong shuttle bus and ended up at the wrong convention. And so, of course, the shuttle bus had already left, and it couldn't take us back to the Venetian. And so, oh yeah, you know what? We could have freaked out, but we didn't. We grabbed a taxi, and we had the nicest taxi lady ever. She took us to the right convention. Yes, it cost us an extra $20, but you know what? I love talking to her. It was nice meeting a local and talking about Vegas, and we learned some facts about hotels that they're building. So we didn't let that hiccup ruin our day, and we made it to the convention center. And so when we were leaving, since we didn't know where the shuttle buses were supposed to be, since we never took the right one, that's why we decided to give the monorail a try, and I'm glad we did. The monorail is pretty cool, $5 a person. It just was interesting to see different parts of Vegas, and we enjoyed that. So, and then my thoughts, I can't decide if I should just do a video on Market Week or just put everything together. I'm probably just going to do everything together. So Market Week, should I do a separate video on Market Week? I don't know. I didn't do that much video, so I think I'll just do a vlog style of everything we did. Anyway, so Market Week, I enjoyed it. It was kind of what I expected. It's just essentially a gift show. There was everything. There was 3 different huge halls. We are not even halfway done, but I met several really nice people. I definitely have several different contacts of new product that I'm going to try. And then tomorrow I definitely have some private label people that we're going to talk to. So it was worthwhile, but then, you know, it's kind of like treasure hunting, because there was a lot of crap and you got to pick through the crap. What I mean by like booths, there was like booths of like crap, and then there was nice booths. It was kind of confusing, and there was everything: jewelry, clothes, shoes, perfume, everything. And so we enjoyed it, and they did have a cash and carry, but most of the vendors you don't buy right then and there. You set up an account, you place an order, you introduce yourselves, you look, they have samples, and you decide whether you want to buy from them or not. And there is a couple. Who did we like though? Kelly Toys was there. Kelly Toys, if you know about the Squishmallows plush, they carry I don't know if they manufactured, or I don't know if they're a direct manufacturer, but they're the distributor of the Squishmallows. And if you know anything about plush, they're very popular right now, and other kinds of plush. So I don't know, I think we might try to see about setting up a wholesale account with them. I'm not for sure. I haven't decided if I really want to take that route. And then there was another toy vendor there. Oh, what was that one? Toy Factory, which if you're an arcade person, if you're following me because you play arcade games, then I'm sure you've won a plush from the Toy Factory in a claw machine. And they had a booth there, and I'm looking at their product, and we all wear name tags, and it says that I am a retailer. And they're like, oh, I'm sorry, we don't sell plush to resellers, we only sell them to arcades. And I'm like, well, that's great. I mean, I've won a couple of these plushes. Not for sure why you're here, because I don't think arcade people come to this convention, like arcade buyers. Maybe they do. I doubt it. It's highly unlikely. It just seemed kind of odd that the first thing he said was, we can't sell to you. Why are you here? So, I don't know. That's fine. I have to make up an arcade name and see if I can buy from this guy. Maybe not. I kind of felt like he was a little rude. Did you think he was kind of rude to me?
No, I don't think he was rude. I just don't think, I would think a company of that size would know their market a little bit better.
Yeah,
And I
it's
just
the wrong
don't-
market.
I don't
That's a good
believe,
point.
because when I registered us for this event, there were several different categories that you had to qualify for, and some of them were home-based businesses, some of them were retail businesses, retail locations, and then there was some other categories. But I don't remember seeing anything about arcades.
Yeah.
So I don't know if they made a sale at all, quite honestly.
Probably not. Speaking of arcades, there is actually a specific arcade convention in Orlando in November that I am totally contemplating going to. We probably will go. They haven't sold out yet. A lot of arcade YouTubers are going because it displays upcoming arcade games and stuff. So anyway, I'm rambling again. I will show video later of what I got. So I got, the only free things they were giving out was free canvas bags, and then everyone had like crappy candy on the counter. And then there was a cash and carry. So one of the convention centers had a whole bunch of cash and carry, so meaning companies brought product that you could buy. It was all jewelry. It's two types. It was either expensive real diamond jewelry, or it was cheap Chinese crap. So I did buy some bracelets, but other than that, and people were going crazy, like just buying up this stuff, and I don't really want to sell cheap Chinese jewelry, so I did get some stuff for me, and then there was a couple other items I wanted to get for me, but a lot of the booths had a $300 minimum order, and the one booth that I liked, I just didn't see $300 worth of product that I wanted. So anyway, tomorrow we're gonna give it another chance. No, not another chance. We did enjoy today, but we got a bunch of pamphlets. For the private label, we just briefly walked through it because by the time we made it to the private label, our feet are killing us, and we knew we couldn't come back tomorrow. So we got a booklet of all the private labels, and we're gonna go through and decide who we want to talk to tomorrow. So I'll try to see if I can do more video. There definitely was signs that says like no photos, but not everywhere, and there really isn't like people, security people walking around past the entry gate. So I think I could do some video without anyone like saying anything. You just don't want to video people's specific booths because they don't like that, because maybe they have their booth set up a specific way and they don't want copycats. So it'll just be general pan shots from the distance. So anyway, I'm gonna take a nap maybe, or just eat my macaroons that I bought, relax, and wait for my phone to charge, and then we're gonna, I don't know, walk the strip some more. So anyway, see you later.